Friction. This is the new physical quantity we are going to learn about. It is a quantity which helps in performing so many day-to-day activities. Let us have an idea what friction means. Friction is a force that opposes any relative motion between two objects that are in contact with each other. You can see, say this object is moving on this surface. It is moving in this direction. This is the pushing force. Then a force comes into play between these two surfaces, and that force is known as force of friction. Now let us study few situations to understand the force of friction. Here there are certain examples. In these examples you can see a boy is kicking a ball, and we know that when the ball is kicked, after rolling some distance, the ball stops. Then a child is riding a cycle. You also ride a cycle, and you know that when you stop paddling the cycle, what happens? After covering some distance, this cycle stops. Then this is an example where I'm trying to explain that we are able to walk on the ground because of certain reasons that I'll explain. But walking on the ground is also possible because of friction. Then here there is a truck. As soon as the brakes are applied, what happens? The truck stops. In all these examples, and there are so many more examples, that something is happening because of which the motion is being stopped. Here the cycle stops. Here the ball which is rolling on the ground stops. We are able to walk easily on a surface, and on application of the brakes, the truck stops.